I was just playing Grow Garden and this happened. Some people go to me. And she said, OMG, I'm a fan. And she pulled out a bagel bunny. So I typed with really? And she said yes. And she said, can I have pet? So you know what I did? I said, sure thing. He actually win the giveaway, the secret giveaway in my Discord. It's just for 2 people. They fought for it and he won it. Yeah. What? Why did it got the tag man? And they said, you win the giveaway anyway. And she said, you mean the secret one? I said, yes sir. And I give her his prize. I gave him 2 green bean pet and a giant bean Macau. I mean Tokun. If you want to win a giveaway like this, just like and subscribe.